What is going on? My name is Altone, and today I have here next to me the YokaCon large humidifier. Now, this particular humidifier was sent out to me for me to try out, and it is a very large size, and I think that is fantastic. It's actually designed to be used as a full home humidifier, or you can use it in a business that you might have a lot of dry air and you just need to bring in a little bit of humidity in that space. So putting this guy together in assembly was very easy. The only thing I will tell you is make sure that you unbox it from the top and be careful when you cut the tape on the top of the box as you open it. So what comes in a box with this large capacity ultrasonic humidifier is the humidifier assembly. Then of course it also comes with a remote, the power cord, and a cleaning sponge, as well as your instruction manual. And I highly suggest that you do read through the instruction manual. It does have quite a few bits of information that you want to be aware of so you can get the best performance out of the unit. Now on the YokaCon humidifier, you have your front display and your front touch control panel. On the back, you have your power input, and of course you have your water tank, your water viewpoint in the front of the water tank, your tank handle, which will allow you to transport the tank itself, as well as casters on the bottom. Now on your touch control panel, you have a power button, your mist control, which has 3 levels, low, medium, and high. Your humidity button will allow you to adjust your humidity in 5% increments from 40 to 90% humidity. Your sleep mode button will dim the display so that your display will be off while you are trying to sleep. And of course, if you touch any button, it will come out of sleep mode. Your time can be set in increments of 1 hour from 1 to 12 hours. And your UV button will allow you to turn on and off the sterilization feature. And just a few of the specifications of this awesome unit are, it has a large capacity water tank that can handle 5.3 to 20 liters of water. It provides up to 2 days of continuous humidification. Again, you can set your humidity levels from 40 to 90%, 3 mist settings, 360-degree adjustable branch design, and of course, like I said before, it is easy to set up and very portable with the casters on the bottom as well as the handles on either side of the tank. So I truly believe as we get more into the winter months and we start using the heat more, this is actually going to be very beneficial, especially for me, because when we have our heat running and the air begins to get dry, it does absolutely affect my sinuses personally, and I believe I'll be able to breathe better and my sinuses will be much more opened up about having a good humidifier, especially one that covers our entire home. So thank you so much for coming by and checking this guy out with me. It is truly a fantastic unit, and I'm looking forward to getting plenty of use out of it myself. Have an absolutely fantastic day, and I look forward to seeing you again in a future video.